Did I record? This is how to cook termites using stunning it. Yeah, so that they can die. Guess it all. Guess it all. Yeah, so they have died through that in a very big sufuria. Yes, so that we are getting back the cooking stove here. We are using firewood to cook. So while cooking termites, you don't add anything. Cynthia,
yes.
Can you explain to us how to cook termites? Just talk.
After picking them from where they come from.
Let me just give you this microphone study. Yes, just explain.
After picking them from where they came from, you first of all wash them with salty water.
Yeah, you wash them with salty water.
Yes. So that they die. After which you dry them in the sun. After drying them, when you put them in a sufuria or an oven, and you again have to dry them with fire, and you don't add anything, not even water. You cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes. After they have dried, you remove them from the sufuria. Because if you keep them there, they will be overcooked because of the heat coming from the sufuria. Then you again dry them so that their wings come out.
You dry them in fire or in sun?
Sun.
Yes.
After cooking them in fire, you can eat them, but if you like, you can also dry them in sun. And that's how to cook them.
Thank you. You have heard from this little boy how termites are termites are being cooked, and indeed he is a pro. He has explained everything very well, and that is a wrap, and he is continuing with cooking it, and I believe in short while our termites.